On June 12, 2025, an Air India Boeing 787 Dreamliner, Flight AI171, crashed just seconds after takeoff from Ahmedabad, India. It was heading to London Gatwick, carrying 242 people on board. But within 30 seconds, the plane lost control and slammed into a residential area near a medical college. The result? Absolutely devastating. 241 people on board lost their lives, and at least 28 people on the ground also died. Only one person survived. The survivor? A British national, Vishwas Kumar Ramesh, who escaped with minor injuries. It's being called the deadliest plane crash in India in decades. Investigators believe the Boeing 787 had flap or landing gear issues during takeoff. The plane failed to climb, then nosedived straight into buildings. And yes, this is the first fatal crash ever involving a Boeing 787. Follow for more updates on this heartbreaking story.